Naghahanap ba kayo ng house and lot near Ortigas, Pasig City? Birmingham, Camden ang para sa inyo. By the way, I am your licensed real estate broker, Clarice H. Tolentino. Para maging updated, follow us on Facebook, TikTok, or YouTube. Ang Birmingham, Camden ay located sa Camden Street through Brookside, Cainta. Mayroon kaming ino-offer na townhouses with 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, and a car garage. Its lot area ranges from 60 to 69 square meters. Mayroon din kaming ino-offer na single attached units with 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, balcony, and a car garage. Its lot area ranges from 102 to 162 square meters. The price of the units we are offering here at Birmingham, Camden ranges from 4,995 to 11,345. Interesado ka ba at gustong malaman ng ibang detalye? Maaari mo kaming i-message sa contact number na nakikita mo sa videong ito. Yun lamang, salamat!